Hi, this is Lizzie from The Homey Life, and today I'm going to show you how to make sourdough German pancakes. They are so delicious and actually really easy to make. I'll have a link below for the printable recipe if you want to see it. It's just on my blog, thehomeylife.com. So I do use a blender for this recipe just because it makes it easier, but you can actually whisk the ingredients together as well. You're going to want to have 6 eggs. You're going to use 1 cup of sourdough starter. It can be discard or active, it doesn't really matter either way. I just pulled mine straight out of the fridge and added 1 cup into the blender. You're also going to want to add 3/4 cup of milk. I like to add about half a teaspoon of sea salt and 3 tablespoons of any sweetener that you like maple syrup, honey. I personally really love rapadura sugar. It's pretty similar to brown sugar in taste. And I also add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now I should also mention, while you are doing this, you actually want to have your oven already preheated with your cast iron pan in the oven as well. You're going to preheat that to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, 220 degrees Celsius. And once it gets nice and hot, you're going to put about a 1/3 cup of butter on there, and you're going to just stick it back in the oven and let it melt for just that other minute or two while your mixture blends. I like to blend it for about a minute to 2 minutes maximum. It just aerates it and it gives it really good consistency. Once it's done blending, just take your pan with that melted butter out of the oven, pour your mixture straight onto that nice hot bubbly butter. You can also use lard or tallow if you want it instead of butter, and then stick that straight back into the oven. And you're gonna let it bake for about 20 minutes. It will get nice and puffy and golden. Now this is totally optional, but while that was baking, I decided to make a chocolate whipped cream to go on top, as my kids really wanted that as well. I just poured about a cup of cream, added 1 tablespoon of rapadura sugar, 1 tablespoon of cacao powder, and then I always add a pinch of salt to my anything with chocolate pretty much in it, because I've heard that it enhances the chocolate flavor, and so I've just done that ever since for years. Put that into your blender and blend it for like 30 seconds to a minute. You'll see that it's going to thicken real quickly. After about 20 minutes, your sourdough German pancakes should be done and should be nice and puffy like this. Take it straight out of the oven, and you can start slicing it straight on your cast iron pan, or you can pull it off and put it on a cutting board. I slice it the similar way that you would a pizza. So you cut it in half, and then cut it into half again, and then just cut it into little slices so it kind of looks like a pizza. Top it with whatever toppings that you like. I'm doing some sliced banana and then that chocolate cream on top with a little bit of maple syrup, and the kids absolutely love it. But you can put whatever you want on top, whether it's sweet or savory. It will be delicious. Now, if you like this recipe, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more homemaking and cooking from scratch. I hope you enjoy it and give this recipe a go, as it is really easy and really tasty. As always, have a lovely day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!